हम लोग कुछ शब्दों से बड़े परिचित हैं। श्रमजीवी, बुद्धिजीवी, ये सारे शब्दों से परिचित हैं। लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूं कि पिछले कुछ समय से इस देश में एक नई जमात पैदा हुई है, एक नई बिरादरी सामने आई है, और वो है आंदोलनजीवी। एक पूरी टोली है जी जो आंदोलनजीवी है। हमें ऐसे लोगों को पहचानना होगा। देश आंदोलनजीवी लोगों से बचे, ऐसे लोगों को पहचानने की बहुत आवश्यकता है। ये सारे आंदोलनजीवी परजीवी होते हैं।
This is what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in the Rajya Sabha on 8th February. From the video, it's clear that PM Modi described the protesting people as Andolanjivis who cannot live without protests. He called them Parjivis, which means parasites. Now, PM Modi is criticizing the protesters and Andolanjivis, but some people are wondering if PM Modi has forgotten his current views on the protests and agitation are in contradiction with his own opinions when he was youngster in his 20s. In 1974, PM Modi had participated in Gujarat's Navnirman Andolan when he was in his 20s. PM Modi's personal website says the Navnirman movement was Narendra's first encounter with mass protest and led to a significant broadening of his worldview on social issues. It also propelled Narendra to the first post of his political career, General Secretary of the Lok Sangharsh Samiti in Gujarat in 1975. The same website page also said, by 1973, Narendra Modi had displayed a keen interest in social activism and had already participated in several movements against price rise, inflation and other issues affecting the common man. But now, of course, some people are saying that PM Modi seems to be having problems with protests, agitations, student protests and Andolanjivis. This Navnirman Andolan had started in December 1973 when a few students of the Morbi Engineering College in Gujarat protested against the price rise in the food bills. These protests soon got widespread support and resulted in a statewide mass movement against the government. Matters became worse as the government failed to pacify the protesters, and it took a shape of movement against corruption and rising prices by early 1974. Reports suggest that PM Narendra Modi had also written a letter to the youth that was later published in a book titled Sangharsh Ma Gujarat. Prime Minister Modi had urged the youth to take to streets and not let democracy die. As per media reports, he said, "Children of Bharat Mata, think in what direction the country is being pushed into today. If you don't act today, take a moment to ponder the consequences you will have to face tomorrow. You are the harbinger of India's future, because today's young are tomorrow's leaders. Who will take up the responsibility making this nation rise and shine? The answer is clear, the responsibility is yours." Unquote. He goes on to say country has been rendered silent by cheaters and fraudsters and says poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, immorality, corruption and oppression will be cross for youth to bear in future. He also said the way democracy is being destroyed in the country today to pave the way for dictatorship, you will be the herd of sheep that will be walked heads down. Several public commentators have criticized this, and they have raised questions like why has his opinion changed from then as compared to today? And by the way, he is not the only one who was Andolanjivi during that time. There have been several other leaders in his own party who have participated in protests like former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley and others. In 2015, former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had described campus protests in India as an alliance of subversion. But he was a 22-year-old student at Delhi University preparing to help coordinate a movement of student protests. Several leaders and public commentators have criticized this statement of describing protesters as Andolanjivis by PM Modi. Akhilesh Yadav criticized his Andolanjivi jibe, saying that BJP leaders are members of Chandajivi Sangathan. Yadav said India gained independence through protests and movements. Others like Darshan Pal, president of Krantikari Kisan Union, also criticized the comment on behalf of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha by saying SKM condemns the PM insulting farmers by calling them Andolanjivi. Farmers would like to remind the PM that it is Andolans that have liberated India from colonial rulers, and that is why we are proud to be Andolanjivi.